Hey everybody! Welcome to Glasgow! We are here in Scotland for 2 weeks on a huge road trip of the country, and we have one full day in Glasgow, so we're going to walk around the city and make the most of it. Start your day by wandering around the city centre to check out the Glasgow Mural Trail. We managed to visit most of the murals in Glasgow in a day. It's also a great way to become acquainted with a new place. You might want to wander around and discover all of the murals or catch a glimpse of a few favourites. It's up to you. The St. Mungo mural is likely the most famous in Glasgow, located on High Street. Created back in 2016 by the artist Smug, photos of this work were shared 1.5 million times in its first week. The River Clyde is a destination in itself, so you can go for a stroll here while discovering the murals. Many people go for a morning walk or bike ride here, whether they're on their way to work or enjoying the views. While the scenery might seem on the gritty side from time to time, it's real and vibrant in its own way. The Glasgow Acropolis is a Victorian cemetery perched up high on the hill. It's estimated that 50,000 people were buried here, even though there's only 3,500 tombs. It's absolutely fascinating to walk around here with the amazing architecture, and you can also catch some brilliant views of the city. It might seem strange to include a cemetery on this itinerary, but it really belongs on any list of Glasgow points of interest. It's a must visit for fans of intriguing architecture, as you'll discover styles spanning across the centuries. Take some time to wander around and examine some of the interesting carvings and graves. There are some brilliant statues dedicated to some fascinating individuals. Next, venture on to the Glasgow Cathedral. It's the oldest cathedral in mainland Scotland and the oldest building in Glasgow, dating to the 12th century. The Glasgow Cathedral is an incredible example of Scottish Gothic architecture. You might not have heard of the Lighthouse, but it's one of the best places to visit in Glasgow. It's Scotland's Centre for Design and Architecture, a visitor centre, and an exhibition centre. One of the main reasons to visit the Lighthouse is for the city's scenery views. Walk up a circular staircase, and at the top there's an outdoor viewing platform for the best scenery of Glasgow. The Gallery of Modern Art is the main contemporary art museum in Glasgow. You'll find works here by local and international artists, and it's free to visit. Why not pop into the gallery for an hour or so to discover some intriguing art? A trip to Glasgow wouldn't be complete without seeing the University of Glasgow Cloisters. These archways and columns are an iconic sight. You might recognize this space from Outlander or Cloud Atlas, and walking around the University of Glasgow made me feel as though I was attending Hogwarts. We hope that you enjoyed our one-day tour of Glasgow and that it's inspired you to visit the city too. Hit that subscribe button to follow along on our travels. Thanks for watching!